Hello guys, this is Vysh. So the 2022 students have been asking me whether we should take coaching or if taking coaching is necessary we should go to Delhi and or is it okay if we do online coaching or if we not take coaching at all, or can we take in some like regional areas like in my state, in my district. So these are like common doubts, but I think since the last 1 or 2 years people are like not going to coaching. Okay, one thing is the situation now, the pandemic, but before that also people now are getting almost everything what they need online itself. Okay, whether it's lectures or PDF material, or if even if like not downloadable or not given by anyone, it can be like bought from the Delhi institutes as well. Okay, they are giving online courses now, so most people don't go there, but still maybe now when everything gets okay, people again will go into that same coaching classroom model. So just for that I'll tell you what information we have. Okay, so it's about the coaching fees, which like you have like no control, and then there is this stay, food, other expenses. Okay, other things which you have on a monthly basis. So we'll discuss all that in this video, and all this data is collected from the students who have already done their coaching there in Delhi, and Delhi and Bangalore I have inquired. Based on that, an average price I have put. Okay, the average details. So this PG, it's like a business model now everywhere, wherever these coaching institutes are there. The area in Delhi is like, it's called, Old Rajendra Nagar and Mukherjee Nagar. This Karol Bagh is there. So here, if you see, like if you search like reading rooms, libraries, and all in that area, like this, thousands of things you will get. Okay, options. It's not like it's only one or restricted. It depends on where you want it. Whether you want near your coaching center, or maybe away from that, or you already have some relative there, and from there you want to travel to the center. So it all depends on like how you want to be there. So these are some pictures just to show you or make you into like feel. Okay, like if you are a new aspirant and have never seen all these things, you can simply Google and research. Okay, if you need coaching. So this kind of reading rooms and libraries are there, which also you have to pay monthly charges. So depending on whether they have AC, Wi-Fi, drinking water, that kind of facilities, the charges may vary. Okay, so you can simply search yourself, but these are the glimpses of how it will look like. Okay, now the expense of a Delhi student. Okay, in one of the top institute. Okay, you know which are the top institute, but still that may be another video I can make, like which are the best institute in each city. Okay, like we have the data, so we can, if you want, make an Excel sheet and share it with you. So if you take like this, okay, this prelims, mains, optionals, and CSAT, this is what basically coaching means for any student. Okay, you need the entire prelims and mains materials plus test series and classroom coaching, and you need the optional this thing and CSAT. Okay, and CSAT varies. Okay, maybe everyone don't need CSAT. So it will come like this, around like this. It will come for a very reputed institute. Okay, and if it is their online class which you are buying, when you are sitting at your home and studying online, instead of this figure 1,70,000, it will be around 1,25,000 or 1,30,000. Okay, this is for the topmost institutes. Okay, as I told in this video, I'm not naming an institute when I tell these expenses. In the map I can show you. So it will come around like this. Okay, this year's fees I'm telling 2020-21, if you go and check their brochures, it will be around like this. Now to stay there, okay, and this is, you have no control. Now to stay there are many options. One is like single room near the coaching center. Okay, meaning now even like if it's like Delhi pollution and all, people prefer sitting inside the room, that to AC room, sitting there and studying. But you can get budget rooms also. Okay, like very cheap, like 3,000, 4,000, 6,000 rupee rent and all per month, it is available. Okay, but that the room will be very tiny. There will be no, like, it will be not having that attached bath kind of thing, or maybe a studio kitchen kind of thing. It won't be there. So but everything you have, and it's like a decent room with AC, it will come 10K and above. Okay, so 10, 11, 12 depends on the time you go and get it, or the availability. It will be around like that. Okay, and that will not include your food. Okay, so that food or mess, that is lunch and dinner, that extra will be there. Sometimes breakfast will not be there, and breakfast extra expense comes, so it will come around this much. Okay, then drinking water is there. Drinking water also you have to get it, okay, by yourself when you stay in this hostel kind of setup. Then Wi-Fi, which is mandatory now. Wi-Fi or your mobile internet recharge, whatever you do, it will come at least this much. And then electricity bill is there, which also is very high in Delhi city. Okay, it depends on the city which you are in, but Delhi coaching I am telling in general. So Delhi, it will be very high, 1,500 to 2,000 it can go. So it depends on that. Okay, and then a transport, meaning if you are staying very near, maybe it's walkable, it's okay. Else it will be having your maybe this rickshaw or auto or metro. Okay, because metro, most of the coaching institutes are there lying in both sides of the metro line there. So it depends on that kind of things. The transport will come. Then you will keep writing notes. You need stationery, the notebooks, papers, notepad, all those kind. Okay, but that may not be every month expense, but it will come like this average. Okay, Then extra cost is there, which is your personal thing. When you're living at a place, obviously you need the extra expenses, your personal products or whatever you need for your grooming, that you will be needing. So that will be there. Then I said, reading room, which almost everyone takes it, because most people be comfortable when they see other aspirants also sitting nearby and they are also studying something, and it will be completely silent and you will be focusing on that. And you get a lot of books there, lot of newspapers, everything there itself. You don't have to buy it extra. So that all in consideration, it will come around 21K in 1 month. So if you multiply it by 12 months, it will come around this much. And again, it depends on you, because the coaching institutes, most of the coaching institutes, their course will be like 7.5 months or 8.5 months, 9.5 months. I don't think any coaching institute is there where they have a 12 months and 1 year complete schedule. Even they call it 1 year coaching, it will be just 8 months or 9 months only. So if you are staying beyond that, around 12 months, then it will be, I have calculated like this. Or if it's for 8 months, obviously it will reduce. Okay, you do this to 21,000 into 8 months or 9 months. Okay, so when you add this one with the fixed coaching fees, which you cannot change, okay, only thing is CSAT, which you can remove, then it will come around like this. Okay, close to 5 lakh it will come. So your staying and your expenses almost same. Now single room away from coaching, only thing is the rent will reduce. Okay, because you're staying little away from Karol Bagh and like 30 minutes, 45 minutes away, then it will be this much will be the rent. And the other things will be same, but the thing which will increase here is the transport. Okay, from there. So this also, it's all average and collected from students. Okay, like we cannot correctly tell like this numbers will be pinpointedly correct. These are the average or the things you have to consider in case you are thinking of coaching in Delhi. So this will be the away from coaching thing. So there, if you see little bit, there is reduction. Okay, because the rent, the main thing is reducing because you're staying away from the main hotspot. Okay, same like that. Now if it's a sharing room, okay, like two of you go together and share, then for one room they'll take like around 14,000, 15,000. It's not like they will take 11,000, they'll take 13,000, 14,000. So that you can split by two. Okay, but your food, your water, your wi-fi maybe you can split. Okay, but other things will be still constant for you. Okay, electricity also, instead of 1,800, now two people are using it, it will come around 2,000, 2,500. So that by two you can do. Okay, transport depends. Okay, like how you both are sharing. Okay, like if you are going like per ticket per this thing, each one place to another, it will be still the same. But if it's like something which you're sharing and going, then it will reduce. Okay, so that all depends. We cannot tell a correct number. But again, if you see, there is a lot of savings if it is sharing. If you have like one friend who is like having your same dream and this thing, and you are compatible with them, then you can think of a sharing room. Then this much saving you will get. Okay, so overall, if you see, this much saving will come. Okay, but this coaching fee, we cannot do anything. Now, if it's a PG system, okay, instead of hostel, if it's a PG where they give the food, where they give the water, they give the Wi-Fi, everything they give. Okay, so if you take in totality, it is almost same only. There you are giving 11,000 plus 3,000 plus something, but here totally 15 to 17,000, they will take it first itself. But they will give you food, 2 times drinking water, Wi-Fi, electricity and all those things. And but transport will, sorry, electricity is extra, transport is extra, then all these things are same. Okay, nothing differs. So here also we see little bit, it will be different. Okay, and same thing away from center means it will be the transport cost, it will vary. So I hope you get an idea. Around 4 lakh 30 to 5 lakh, it will be there in a proper stay with an AC room kind of thing. Okay, this is all like data given by students. Okay, maybe they went last year based on that, but now maybe even more. Okay, if it reopens all the coaching. So everything in one screen, if you want to see, you can pause and see the screen. So this kind of data is what I thought I'll share. But again, we don't recommend coaching, we don't tell any particular institute is better. So if you need us to tell you this kind of glimpses, okay, when quick videos like 5 minutes, 8 minutes, I can give you. Okay, like because we have a lot of students every day, we talk to them, so their experiences I can share. So if you need this kind of UPSC related updates, okay, even each city, like in Karnataka what kind of coaching, Kerala what kind of coaching, or in this Hyderabad what kind of coaching, so their fees, their structure, I can inquire from students. I can make small videos for you. Okay, so that maybe in between your preparation, this kind of information also will be useful, or maybe keeps you motivated, because there are people who are studying day in and day out. So tell me in comment section. Okay, because you have to subscribe, like and all those things, only then I will feel like making this kind of thing, because it's an extra effort other than the lectures and test series I'm doing. Okay, so please tell me in comment section. I will come up with the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.